Alright, how we all doing today? Today we're taking a look at a Seiko Presage watch, and this is a Presage Sharp Edge. The Sharp Edge has really taken off for Presage, so they're making all kinds of different colorways, especially with the newer GMT series of the Sharp Edge. Really gave it an extended life, and there's been a lot of fans of the GMT series. The Sharp Edge GMT series. Really nice looking watches. And so here we've got this watch with the kind of like a purpley dial. This watch, let me get it out of the plastic here for you, and then you can see it. It's inspired by Akebono or the Dawn. So those are the colors of the Dawn. You kind of got the rose gold tone or copper tone markers on there, and that purplish dial. And different lights, it kind of gives you different shades, kind of like the Dawn sky. So it is actually really, really stunning. I hope we can capture some of it here in the video so you can see it at the different angles. There's the display case back. This watch is a limited edition of 2,000 pieces. And the pattern with the Sharp Edge is an ancient pattern. It's got it's a Sona hemp leaf motif. It's a symbol that you see a lot in Japan. It dated back to the Heian period, which is 794 to 1185 AD. And here you got the watch. You can see the dial a little bit here. Anytime we're going to move it around, you'll see it kind of takes a life of its own, and it's really just a sharp looking watch. And then I'm glad they did it with the black case instead of stainless, because it just kind of makes that feeling of dawn pop up more. The dark case being the night, and then the face, the dial, lighting up like the dawn. The sun's coming up. So just I think this is a great addition to the Sharp Edge series. Really sharp looking. Looks different than a lot of other watches out there. You can see here, at this angle, that pattern. The pattern, the hemp leaf pattern, they would actually use it a lot for even like baby clothes, because that pattern represents like long life, growth, and prosperity. So it's just kind of an important symbol to the Japanese. Is kind of like wishing people good luck, good vibes with that pattern. That's what the pattern means to them. And you can see it's a GMT. You got the GMT hand there in the stainless, so it doesn't get mixed up with the hour and the minute hand. This watch is a limited edition again of 2,000, and you got the watch number on the back. And you got the black GMT bezel ring and the rose gold dial accents throughout it. Here you can see it on my wrist. On the dial there, you got a power reserve indicator and a date sub-dial. So those are the two dials you got there. So the one by the 9 o'clock, that would be your power reserve indicator, and the one on the bottom, the extra dial you got there. So just a sharp looking watch overall. My wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist, and this watch here, you can see it's got a good wrist presence, but not too big. It's 42.2 millimeters and 49.2 millimeter in length, and 13.6 diameter. And here you can see the lume on here. I didn't really get a chance to have it lit up too much. Usually to be a better glow to it, but it just didn't take the charge as quick as I thought it would. But it's generally good lume on these guys. It's a 6R 6.4 caliber, and